Hey, it's Greg Hoyt here, and this is my review of CourseX, your done-for-you online course website. Before we get started, if you'd like to work with my internet marketing coach to build your online income up to $10,000 a month, then check out the first link in the description below. I'm also offering 14 nice bonuses you'll get if you pick up CourseX through me. Let's take a look at those. The first one is called Traffic Strategies for YouTube. You know, if you want to do videos on YouTube, it's in your best interest to start getting ranked higher so that your videos actually will show versus being buried between, below another 20 different videos. So the way that you do that is you get people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, to like your videos, and to comment on your videos. And in this video series, they walk you through that and show you how you can get the interactions from the people and the viewers that watch that. So that's actually a pretty nice little video series for you. The next bonus that I have is called Getting Started with TikTok, and TikTok has become one of the most popular social media platforms out there. It's like the fastest growing social media platform here recently, and so it would be a good idea to investigate that. And if you haven't ever checked it out, that's what this video series is about. The next bonus I have for you is called Marketing with Instagram Ads. And Instagram ads are actually fairly easy to do, and it's surprising actually. And I would highly encourage you to take a look at that. The next bonus I have for you is called Facebook Marketing for Beginners. And if you've never done any Facebook advertising, this will walk you through that, and I think it'll be beneficial for you because, the Facebook, it's tremendous in the form of being able to help you find your audience based on their demographics, by age or gender, male or female, or interests and stuff like that. The next bonus I have for you is called Building a Relationship with your list, and that would be your email list. And it's very important that you're building an email list, and it's even more important that you're engaging with your email list, because if you're not engaging with them, your subscribers, then they're not opening your emails and you're not making any sales. So this is another course that'll take you through that and how to do that. My next bonus is called Rebranding PLR Products, and that's a great training program video series that'll walk you through how to rebrand your PLR products that we've all got them. Our hard drive is got tons of them that we've never done anything with typically, and what you want to learn how to do, and what this teaches you, is how to rebrand those products into your own name or your company name, how to add content to the PLR, how to take it away, how to update it, and that sort of thing. And then, as you can see, I have more bonuses available. I'll let you go through that when you get to the bonus area. So that's that. And the next thing that I want to show you is the sales page. Let's see here. Says, tap into this $400 billion e-learning industry with the power of the AI revolution. breathtaking AI-powered software that allows you to create and sell courses online by building Udemy-type sites. And one of the interesting things about this program is that it comes preloaded with 500 done-for-you courses ready to sell. They claim that in 2 minutes you can be ready to sell, and I think that's a pretty good offering to include, because I'd imagine, you know, if you've ever tried to do one video, let alone a video course, you know, it takes a lot of work. So this is going to save you a lot of time and money. So they got a few bullet points here. Let's go through those real quick. So the first one here is quickly start your e-learning business and tap into the $400 billion e-learning industry. We've already talked about that. Create stunning Udemy-like site, with a marketplace, a members area, and blogs in just 2 minutes. Add unlimited courses on your website to sell and to make maximum profits. As we mentioned, it comes preloaded with 500 done-for-you courses. You can create your own courses, and they actually have an AI course creator, which you know, that's pretty valuable right there. It has the ability to collect and manage leads, integrates with most autoresponders. It can generate sales pages, which is powerful. Accept payments with PayPal, Stripe, or others. You can create discount codes. You don't have to share your profits with a third party. 100% profits for you. It's newbie friendly. It says it's 100% easy to use. It's fully cloud-based, so you don't have to install it or download it. It comes with a step-by-step video training series, and during the launch here, at least, the front end comes with the free commercial license. So I think you can see that it does provide a lot of value. The link to grab CourseX will be the second link in the description below. But what I want to show you right now is the upsells. And I'm not sure that I have those out here. Okay, there you go. So the front end during the launch period anyway is going to be $17. OTO1 is Pro, and that's $47. Appears that they have a down sell on that. OTO2 is called Done For You Automation at $37. OTO3 is called Traffic Beast for $47. And OTO4 is Agency. And OTO5 is a reseller with 100 unlimited license. Well, it looks like 100 potentially for the $47 and unlimited at $77. So that's the upsells that you get here. And let's see here. Now what I want to do is show you a demo video which goes through inside the CourseX dashboard. And so we'll take a look at that, and then I'll be back to wrap this up. Okay, back in a few. Okay, we're back. So if you're interested in having an e-learning website, CourseX looks like it's going to be a great value and will save you a lot of time and money. Remember, it comes preloaded with 500 courses ready to go, and they say, you know, you can start selling courses within 2 minutes. So the link to grab CourseX will be the second link in the description below. And remember, if you'd like to work with my internet marketing coach to build your online income up to $10,000 a month, click on the first link in the description below. And don't forget, you get my 14 exclusive bonuses when you purchase CourseX through me. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.